Okay, this is the Reno arch unit. I'm fixing my hole that I had. We had it on the manifold. Now I got to fix the hole. So we want to heat this up slowly. Put this back on. So you got to keep fanning, and eventually you're to where you're staying on it. But I'm going to stay behind it a little bit as well, behind the weld, get it hot. I think we're good. Okay, we got lucky. I just hit the glass with the torches, that tank and all that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get it hot, and then we're going to blow and push. Blow and push. We're going to gather the glass and suck and blow. Good possibility we can patch that hole. Okay. We're going to blow and pull. Put it on the table. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Now that it's cooled down, I can blow and run my flame over it. If there's a hole, it'll wiggle the flame. I don't see any hole. I'm pretty sure we got it. So we got to hook it back up to the manifold. Okay, so I'm back down to, put the Reno arch repair back on the manifold. Okay, then we hook up our bombarder. And I hope I got that hole. Put our paper bag on it. Okay. We shut the blow hose. We open the main. We open the secondary. You need to be here for this gauge and all that. Okay. So I'm going to open the secondary now. And we're pulling a vacuum on the tube. And it's going to go down. It's going to gurgle down here. Hopefully. Yeah, it will. It's going over. Come on. I guess not. Okay. Now we're going to close the main. We're going to bump it. Okay, we're in good shape. The oil's not going to come up, so we're going to pull a little more vacuum now. And we're going to close the main. Hopefully you can see that. So the main's open there. Main vacuum. Okay, so we close the main. Now you watch the gauge again, right here. And we're going to put, the gauge is barely going to move with natural gas. Just a little bit. Okay, then we're going to hit it. And warm the glass and the electrodes up. You can see the gauge, hopefully you can. It's up to 3/4, so we're okay. And my milliamps are on 700, and the electrodes are turning red. Turn this around for you. You can really see this. Okay, electrodes are going to turn red, and the paper's going to burn. So this is blue pumped red. This is going to have neon gas in it. It's going to be pinkish orangish. It's going to be more orange than pink because it's old. So there's the burnt paper right there. I'm going to do it one more time. It's an old unit. You can use the natural gas as flushing gas as well. So that's what we're going to do. So everything's okay. It's pulled down a little bit. I'm going to put about a half again on the gauge right here. You see the butylphthalate move. Butylphthalate doesn't evaporate under a vacuum is why we use it. So then we're going to turn this back on, and electrodes are going to get red again, and the glass is going to get hot again, hopefully. So the trick to making a tube that lasts is a clean tube. It's got to be pure on the inside because we're putting pure neon gas back in it. It's 99.99.8 or something pure. It's really pure. So the electrodes are red, paper's burning again. Okay, now I'm going to open my main vacuum. Right here, we're going to leave that wide open for 5 minutes. And I'll see you when we get back.